One of the most important financial statements in your accounting system is your balance sheet. The balance sheet is also known as the Statement of Financial Position, which describes its usefulness a bit better in my opinion. The balance sheet provides a summary of what you own, what you owe, and the difference between the two. Having a firm understanding of these three elements is critical to understanding what kind of financial position your business is in. Let's start with what you own. The Assets section shows the value of all the things owned by your business: money in your bank account, property, equipment, and also payments that your customers still owe you. The next section of the balance sheet describes what you owe. Under the Liabilities section, you'll find a summary of what you still owe your vendors, any outstanding sales tax obligations, and any other balances owed to third parties, including credit card companies. Finally, the last section of the balance sheet describes the difference between the previous two sections, assets and liabilities. The main reason it's called the balance sheet is that assets minus liabilities always equals owner's equity, so it's always balanced. Looking at the total of all your equity accounts is one way to estimate the value of your business. Now that you know your way around the balance sheet, I'll show you some ways to glean financial information from it. If you're curious about how the amount of cash in your bank account changes throughout the year, you'd select your current month, compare it with the previous month, and set the number of columns to 12. Based on this view, I can see how my cash levels fluctuate throughout the year. Maybe I want to see if my business has increased in value over the last couple of years. To do this, I'd want to look at how my owner's equity has changed over the last 2 years. I'm going to select my current month, compare it with the previous year, and set the number of columns to 2. Now, when I scroll down to look at my owner's equity balance, I can see that it's steadily increased over the past couple of years, and that my business appears to be healthy. Working with financial data can be tricky if you're not used to it. At Billy, we have a team of entrepreneurial experts standing by, ready to help you sort through it all. Feel free to drop us a line if you have any questions.